Hi, my name is Jim Henderson with Innovative Integration, and I'm going to talk a little bit about our smallest embedded PC called the EPC Nano. The EPC Nano is a conduction-cooled, very small embedded PC. It is a single-slot embedded PC capable of hosting a single XMC module, such as this one depicted here. Within the chassis, a Type 6 COM-Express module is mounted onto a carrier, and that carrier receives an XMC module exposing it out the rear of the unit. Also exposed out the rear of the unit is a Samtec connector carrying 40 DIO signals with very high bandwidth up to around 2.5 gigahertz. On the back of the unit, you see some of the standard PC peripheral ports, such as a single 1 gig Ethernet, 2 USB 2.0s, and a DisplayPort interface. The unit can be powered from anything between 6 and 16 volts DC, and if the unit is used in a tabletop environment, we have this fan sink assembly which can bolt to the top of the conduction-cooled enclosure to keep the unit cool. But in many applications, this fan sink is not needed because the unit would be bolted to, say, the inside of a chassis or some other cold plate, and it would draw heat out of the assembly, and no active cooling would be required whatsoever. An interesting thing about this unit is its physical size. It's just over 75 by 150 millimeters envelope from this orientation, and that's small enough that when the unit is placed on end inside of a chassis, it will fit inside of a 2U rack mount type chassis. This unit can be combined with a variety of different expansion cards. We have an expansion card that allows the COM-Express based PC to communicate with up to 2 mSATA type drives, so you can have a couple terabytes of real-time recording. There's also a dual 10 gig Ethernet adapter called the Nano 10GE, which can be inserted electrically between the COM-Express module and the XMC module. So effectively, that Nano 10GE module acts as an interposer between the dual-core Atom CPU and the XMC module. It adds a 4-lane PCI Express switch, and effectively both the dual 10 gig E and the XMC module are granted virtually full bandwidth on the 4-lane PCIe. I hope the video that you've just seen on the EPC Nano is helpful in understanding this small embedded computer. If you have any further questions, of course, pull the datasheet down from our website, which gives full dimensional and other details on this product. Thanks for watching.